Hello everybody, welcome to Storytime, Croso Amser Stori. And today we're reading a book all about some birds, and it's called The Go-Away Bird, and it's written by one of our favourites, Donaldson, and illustrated by another wonderful author and illustrator, Rayner, and it's published by Macmillan Books. The go-away bird sat up in her nest, with her fine grey wings and her fine grey crest. A little green bird flew into the tree. I'm the chit-chat bird. Will you chat with me? We can talk of the weather and other things like the colour of eggs and the aches in our wings. But the go-away bird just shook her head. And what do you think she said? Go away, go away, go away. I don't want to talk today. You're much too chatty. You're oh so scatty. And the sound of you drives me batty. So listen to what I say. Go away, go away, go away. A little red bird flew into the tree. I'm the peck-peck bird. Will you eat with me? There are juicy berries on every twig. We can peck, peck, peck till we both grow big. But the go-away bird just shook her head. And what do you think she said? Go away, go away, go away. I don't want to eat today. Your eyes are beady, you're much too greedy. Just to look at you makes me seedy. So listen to what I say. Go away, go away, go away. A little blue bird flew up to the tree. I'm the flip-flap bird. Will you fly with me? We can spread our wings, we can soar up high, we can cartwheel all through the bright blue sky. But the go-away bird just shook her head. And what do you think she said? Go away, go away, go away. I don't want to fly today. You're whirly and whizzy and much too busy. Just the sight of you is making me dizzy. So listen to what I have to say. Go away, go away, go away. A brown bird hovered above the tree. Good day, I'm the get-you bird, said he. I'm in for a special treat. You're the very bird I want to eat. But the go-away bird just shook her head. And what do you think she said? It's a very big, scary bird, isn't it? Go away, go away, go away. I don't want to be your prey. I'm feeling wary. You're much too scary. The situation is getting hairy. So listen to what I say. Go away, go away, go away. But the get-you bird said, now that I've met you, I'm going to get you, get you, get you. Then a yellow bird waddled towards the tree. Hello, I'm the comeback bird, said he. He opened his bill and he began to quack. Come back, come back, come back, come back. And back flew the others. 1, 2, 3. All the way back to the tree. And the 5 birds all rose together, a noisy mob of fluff and feather, red, blue, yellow and green and grey. And they chased that brown bird far, far away. Then the go-away bird hung down her head. And what do you think she said? You can stay, you can stay, you can stay. I do want some friends today. Let's start playing, no delaying. Let's get hopping and hip hooraying. Nobody go away. You can stay, you can stay, you can stay. Oh. So she's got some friends, lots of people to play with, well, lots of birds to play with. And did you know the go-away bird is a real bird that lives in Africa? And it has smoky grey feathers, a long tail and a crest on its head. And the go-away bird makes its nest from thin, often thorny twigs, and it's named after its call, which sounds as if it's shouting, "Go away!" But in spite of this, go-away birds can sometimes be found in groups of up to 20 or even 30. So perhaps it's a friendly bird after all, and it likes to have lots of friends. So I hope you enjoyed our story. Don't tell people to go away. Tell them to come and say hello and wave and have lots of friends. We'll have another story time next week. We'll have rhyme time on Thursday next week. And also on Thursday next week at 4 o'clock, we have our Zoom children's reading group. So if you'd like to join in with that, just email me, susanna.hill@aura.wales, and you can join in. Hope you enjoyed the story. We'd love to hear about your favourites too. See you all soon. Bye.